Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we learn action verb. Are you excited? So let's start.
Dancing,
Dancing,
jumping,
jumping,
singing,
singing,
sliding,
sliding,
feeling,
feeling,
throwing,
throwing,
running,
running,
walking,
walking,
crawling,
crawling,
reading,
reading,
writing,
writing,
swimming,
swimming,
fishing,
fishing,
thinking,
thinking,
watching,
watching,
crying,
crying,
smiling,
smiling,
working,
working,
cooking,
cooking,
chopping,
chopping,
waiting,
waiting,
smelling,
smelling,
drinking,
drinking,
eating,
eating,
washing,
washing,
cleaning,
cleaning,
coughing,
coughing,
sneezing,
sneezing,
shouting,
shouting,
speaking,
speaking,
kicking,
kicking,
pushing,
pushing,
pulling.
pulling.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.